Hello everyone, it is Andrea and today I'm coming at you with this week's new releases. All of these kits are so pretty, so let's go ahead and get into them. First things first, let's go over the foil bundle that is coming to shop this week. It will be on a special price from Wednesday to Monday as per usual. And I believe this is a mystery overstock, so it is the Silver Sparkle, which is so nice because it's very universal. Will go with so many different spreads. So this has the normal format. The first two pages are 6 full box overlays and then the glitter header overlays. Then you do get 2 pages of the bougie boxes, the icons and scripts, as well as the bottom washi fancy headers, deco, and date numbers. So that is a good one to have a couple on hand for whenever you need a simple silver design. So let's go into the doodles. I don't have any regular doodles for this week. I'm taking a little bit of a break. My friend is coming, so I mean, there's still a lot of releases, but I'm just taking a break from the doodles for maybe this week and next week, but then we'll be back to it. And I actually have something new coming out, which I'm really excited about, so stay tuned for that. So this is kind of like the same colorway as the Love is Love kit. I just loved these colors, so I thought it'd be a really fun palette to do like a gradient colorway. Not something I'll do all the time, but I thought it would just be something different and cool. So you have like the pink to the purple with all of the kind of colors in between. So you could use these with a lot of different summer spreads, and I think it'd be a really cute look. So there is all 10 sheets, and if you do buy all 10, there is a slight discount and a button, so you can just add them all to cart. So the 10 normal pages with this cool like rainbow gradient pattern. I love it. So cute. I might actually grab extra sets of those for myself. Speaking of the Love is Love kit, I'm so obsessed with it. I think this is so pretty. When Jess told me she was doing a Pride set, which she told me like months ago, I was like, this is going to be so good. Obviously, I love the one from last year, but this one has like not a pastel colorway, but like a closer to pastel than brights colorway, and I love it. I just love all of the boxes. You have this one here that says love will win, and then you have this cute chair with pillows, and then you have some like makeup and the little flags and some waffles. I mean, we all love a food box. This one says be anything and has pink hair, a cute outfit with a wig that I'm obsessed with. And then I love this scene. I love this like rainbow kind of like powder smoke kind of situation. I think it's really pretty with like the buildings in the background and all of the different people. And then you have a bunch of books with a super cute little mug on top. And I love this secondary scene of the like brick wall. I think it's super, super cute. Oh, and then you have the little smiley face balloons. I totally forgot about those. Love everything about this. I cannot wait to use it. I actually messaged Jess and was like, hey, so like when are you coming out with the Pride art? Because I'm working on my June lineup and I have a week like just waiting to be put this kit into it. Also, I'm using, what is it? June mystery, the one that's coming next. I'm using that also, but I'm not gonna be able to show that, I don't think. So it'll just be like, I'm using June. And I'm pretty sure Kirsten's using June and May because it's just such a good kit. So, so good. I love these hands with the drippy ice cream, and this person's so cute. Again, I love these colors. I think they're so fun for summer, so fun for June, but also such an anytime colorway if you wanted to use this a different time. But I am obsessed. I love this bottom washi. I thought this box would be really cute for a quote. And then you have the 15 millimeter strips. And then the extra box here has an alternative box for this one with different flags and also a purple wig. And then another person here, and I color changed their hair to be gray and then have like a rainbow ombre. So I thought that was super cute. And I cannot wait to use this. I know this spread is going to be so good. I feel like foil, you could really do anything. My top choices would be if you wanted to do silver, if you just wanted to kind of stick to the basics, hollow, lavender hollow, sparkly hollow, lavender hollow, hollow mix. I think if you had like any of these like brighter colors, like a light purple, a light blue, like this would be cute. This light blue from Planahan would be a really cute match. I know she has like a light purple, a green, a light green, even gold hollow would be kind of fun. Any type of like sparkly hollow. Let me know what foil you plan on using this, because I feel like it's one of those ones where there's really no wrong answer. I think I'm going to use either hollow sparkly hollow mixed or hollow lavender hollow mixed. I can't decide, but it'll be one of those, I think. So those are the kits. We have the ultimate and the mini. And then let's go through the stack of add-on options. I couldn't help myself. I just kept adding things. First thing that you have is the Doodle number 1. So Doodle number 1 is based on the colors that are in the kit. And then there's a secondary colorway. You can kind of see it all here. So this is the colors that are in the kit. These 4, like the 4 colors I picked. And then these are the 4 like secondary colors. So this has all of them on there, which I thought was really cute. So like here, it's normal colors. Here are the secondary colors. So there's Doodle page 1, and then there's Doodle page 2, which Doodle page 2 has the secondary colors on it. Then you have the heart checklist, which I did split those in half. Then you also have the ombre heart checklist, which has the first colorway along with the second colorway option. Then you have the label sampler, and then you have label, oops, I accidentally put an E on there. I'll fix that. A label sampler 2, 3, 4, which has, the 3 has a spelling error on it, and 5. The spelling error is just on the sheet name. And then there's also FAM options. You have FAM 1, FAM 2, FAM 3, FAM 4, FAM 5, and FAM 6. I think this might be the most amount of add-on options that we've ever had, and so cute. And I did post on Instagram that all of the sales from this collection, so the kits and the add-ons, we are going to be donating all of the sales from the release date through June to the Trevor Project, which is one of my favorite organizations. And I will leave them linked down below if you want to read more about that. So not only are you going to get some stickers, but 100% of the sale will go, of these items will go to the Trevor Project, because I just think that that is very, very important. Then let's get on to the next kit, which is so cute as well. And this one kind of just gives me very like another cotton candy kind of summer vibes. This one is Hello Summer. I feel like there's so much summer art this year, like just popped out of nowhere. Just summer art everywhere, and I am not mad about it. Everything is so cute. I will say that for me, I am doing summer kits, but I'm also going to do a lot of anytime kits towards the end of summer, because I know in August I'm usually like over summer. So summer for me is going to be like a little bit of June, most of July, and then August is gonna be like anytime kids. But these are so, so cute. I love some food boxes, and there are lots of foods and drinks in here. I love the double box. The fashion options are adorable, and I love these colors. I think this is a really pretty fun colorway. There's tons of scenes included in this art, and I'm obsessed with the patterns, especially the bottom washi. I just think it's so, so, so pretty. You have the gradient and then this really pretty like tile pattern also in the date covers. The freebie and the ultimate and the mini is another scene that's kind of like a patio area. So cute. Again, this is Hello Summer. All of the kits this week do come in ultimate and mini. So you have the option there. And then let me show you the add-on options for this one. You have the doodle, the functional, you have the ombre, the label sampler 2, which has this really pretty pink color. And then there's fashion option 1 and fashion option 2. So that is Hello Summer and all of the add-on options. And then last but not least is a reformat from last year. This was a mystery. I believe it was the June mystery, I think, from last year. So this has been so requested to be reformatted. I used this last year and here it is. I used this last year with rainbow foil, and honestly, I don't know if there is a better kit to match rainbow foil. So if you've been itching to use rainbow foil, this kit looks fantastic with the sparkly rainbow foil. I think regular rainbow foil too, but the sparkly one was like so beautiful. But in the same vein there, I think that this would go with like any colored foil, like a magenta, an orange, a blue, a green. Like you could go totally crazy, and I love that. So here are the full boxes. I don't think I changed too much of these. I love these colors, especially this green. It's just so unexpected, but so cute. It's like a yellow green. So pretty. Love to see it in the new format. Love the colors. You have the pool bottom washi. Thought this would be perfect for a quote overlay, and then the rainbow 15 millimeter strip. If I was using the rainbow, I'd probably do the bows on the blue and then the confetti on the rainbow. I think that'd be so pretty. The freebie for the ultimate and the mini is a tall box with the pool floaty in there. So that is Pool Vibes, which is a reformat of a mystery kit from last year. So that is exclusive art and so pretty. Also comes in a mini kit, and then there are add-on options for this one as well. There is the Doodles, which are so pretty. I know a lot of y'all have been picking up Doodles, like even if you don't buy the kit, this one's a really good one for summer. You have the Functional, the Ombre, the Label Sampler 2, which is this really pretty like tealy blue color. And then there is also fam options. So fam 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Oh, and then also fashion options. I forgot about that. So stinking cute. And then also we do have some monthlies this week. The first one, actually both of these are mystery arts. So this one here is January mystery. So it was kind of like birthday, but also could be like wedding, baby shower, bridal shower, any type of celebration. If you wanted to use this as like a neutral kind of New Year's party, it could be really anything. So that is the B6 version, which these work in the Aura Style A5 wide and B6 monthlies, as well as the newer, the SPC version of the print impression monthlies. And I have all of those linked on the website. There's a button that's like under more, and it says like my favorites or something, and it shows all of the different planners that our stickers are compatible with. And then if there's a video that shows me using the type of sticker in the inserts, then I have that listed there as well. So here are the A5 wide options for that kit. So pretty. Cannot wait to use this. I feel like it's one of those ones that I'm like, it's so pretty that I'm hoarding it for like the perfect occasion. That always sometimes bites me in the butt. And then last but not least, we also do have the like Beachy Mermaid one, which I am obsessed with. I think this kit is so pretty. It's just so like soft and airy and just puts me in a very like relaxed and like zen mood. And whenever I like look at it, I kind of just like can hear the ocean, like the waves crashing. This is another one that like the foil options were infinite. Let me show you the A5 wide option. Kane also right now has spirals. If you're looking for a spiral in the SPC version, which is the inserts that I like to use that don't have like any dates on them, they don't have a sidebar, they don't have bottom washi lines. He just released the spirals for those and a bunch of really cute covers we worked on. I think we have like 9 or maybe more covers that we worked on together. So lots of cute options there, and these monthlies will fit in both the A5 wide versions of those along with the B6 versions if you were looking for a planner to use monthlies with. And I'm actually going to start doing monthlies. I was talking to Kitten Jess about it this morning, and I have an idea of how I want to use the monthlies, and I'm very excited about it. So I think that will be a video every month of me doing my monthly. It's going to be in a spiral, and it's going to be my work planner, so y'all will see kind of like a preview of my ideas for the month for like videos and stuff like that. And then also in the same video, I think I'm going to do like a base of a work plan with me, because I think that'd be really fun to show y'all once a month how I do that. But yeah, I'm very excited to use those. So that is everything for this week. Again, all of these new releases will be live Wednesday at noon Eastern. And that is everything for this week. I hope y'all like this week's new releases, and I will talk to y'all in my next video.